Hey there, welcome back. In today's training, I'm going to walk you through how to set up credit card surcharges inside Black Belt membership. If you've been looking for a way to recover processing fees without eating the cost yourself, you're in the right place. Let's get this set up the right way, compliant, clear, and fair to your members. All right, let's talk about surcharges and how to set them up inside Black Belt membership. A surcharge is just a small percentage added to credit card payments. It helps cover your transaction fees so you're not losing money every time someone pays with a card. Here's how to set it up. Go to your location admin section. Click the settings button up in the top right corner. From there, head to the billing and e-payment tab. Now scroll down until you see a section labeled Surcharge Settings. You'll see two options. Apply to cashier. Apply to auto payment. If those fields show 0.00, that means surcharging is turned off. If that's how you want it, you're all set and don't need to change anything. But if you want to add a surcharge, here's what you need to know. Card networks have limits. MasterCard allows up to 3%. Visa allows up to 4%. That said, we recommend keeping it simple and compliant by setting both fields to 3%. Just type in 0.03, that's 3% in decimal form, hit enter, and then click outside the field to save it. That's it, you're done. A few important notes. Do not go over 3%. That would put you out of compliance with credit card regulations, and that's not a road you want to go down. You must also notify your members that a surcharge will be applied to card payments. Be upfront, it builds trust. Now, if a parent or student doesn't want to pay that surcharge, there's a simple solution. If you're a US-based school, you can accept ACH payments instead. ACH is a direct bank transfer, kind of like an automatic check, and it typically has no surcharge involved. It's a great option to offer. You can also name the fee in a way that makes sense for your school, like payment convenience fee or whatever you prefer. While you're in this section, you might also consider setting up other fees like late fees, past due fees. Totally optional, but worth thinking about if you want to tighten up your billing process. All right, let's talk about removing the surcharge for just one member without affecting everyone else. So, first step, head over to the member summary for the person you want to update. Next, tap into their contact card. That's where we'll make the change. Now, scroll until you see the section labeled Terminal. This is where the surcharge options live. You're going to see two toggles. Apply surcharge for cashier, apply surcharge for auto payment. If you don't want that member to be charged extra, make sure both of those are turned off. That means they shouldn't be blue. Once those settings are off, just hit submit to save it. And that's it. Black Belt membership will stop applying the surcharge to that member's payments. And that's how you set up surcharges in Black Belt membership. Clear, simple, and keeps your school protected from those rising credit card fees. If you've got more questions or want to learn about other billing tools, keep exploring our training library or reach out to our support team. Until next time, keep growing your school and serving your students. We'll see you in the next video.